Hi, in this video, I will be showing you how to check PayPal balance. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. All you have to do is to go to your PayPal account and make sure that you're using the latest version of your PayPal application. Tap this one here and that's it. You can see or check your PayPal balance. If you go to your wallet, you can also see there your PayPal balance. Also, you can see there the history of your payment. If you want to check your rewards, your activity, transaction, and to make sure that you have the correct balance on your PayPal, then you can simply go to activity and check the recent, transactions and payments, something like that. But if you want to check your bank account's balance or third application's balance, then you cannot do that or you cannot check that using your PayPal. If you want to do that, you have to go to your bank, your credit card, your debit card's bank application to check balance. But for this tutorial, all you have to do is simply open your PayPal application and make sure that this one is updated for you to see your PayPal balance. As easy as that. So if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.